Okay, you may be wondering whether invisible ink messages disappear on your iPhone or not. Then here, I'm going to prove a point to you that the invisible ink messages or pictures never disappear on iPhone. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to answer your question regarding do invisible ink messages disappear on iPhone, then I'm just going to go to my iPhone, click on iMessage, then I'm going to send a picture or message in form of invisible ink, then select picture, and then I'll go ahead and select the picture I want to send invisibly. So select this picture and click on done. Now once I selected the picture I want to send, using iPhone invisible ink, and just press and hold the send button, then select the dot beside the invisible ink like this, then click on send. Now this message we send to this recipient as invisible ink picture. Then the same thing happens to message. So you could just go ahead, type a message in your iPhone, press and hold the send button, then select invisible ink, click on send again. Then once you send this message is not going to be disappeared on either your iPhone or the recipient ends. So this is a normal message on your iPhone, but with a send effect referred to as invisible. You see that? So if I take my second iPhone, so I just drop this, then I choose to take my second iPhone here, then you can see the invisible messages I sent like this. So see that the invisible message will remain on the message just like a normal iMessage on your iPhone. So that is the beauty of it. So invisible message never disappear on iPhone. So I believe this is a proof that when you send an invisible ink message or someone sends you a message with invisible ink, the message will not disappear. So this is basically all you need to do when you are wondering whether when you send an invisible ink message on your iPhone using messages or pictures, whether it's going to disappear. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.